Hey everyone, I just wanted to introduce to a new NPM like package manager for managing your JavaScript or TypeScript packages. So it's called Volt. So I'm currently test driving it. So it's still in beta, and there will be a stable version. So currently it is in release candidate and will be available. That is version 1 in few weeks or a month, fine-tuning the things. So I've done a basic migration. So I'll add the branch actually. So what I did was I just installed it. So you can use npm install with the global parameter to install Volt, and it works with 20 or 22 currently. I have currently migrated to 22. So it was 20. So if you are using 20 or 22, it should work. Anything newer or older, it will not work. So first thing first, you have to just use init to generate the log file. It will generate all the log file, and to install it, there's a different mechanism here. So it does not go to each and every depth to all the dependencies, and if there is any build or any extensions that is required, something like this, it won't build it. If you use it on Linux, everything should work fine. So you have to pass install and VLT build, so that everything is every package is installed in the top level as well as in the lower level or the sub level, what you call it. That is the dependencies that is defined in the package log. So if you run it on Windows, you will see that everything works fine until it goes to the install section. So it will say that symlink is not found, and therefore the operation fails. Directory structure, they are still working on it, so I've just created a PR. I just got an update from the developer and the bot actually, so mentioning the workarounds that can be done on Windows by enabling the developer option, and there is also a admin privilege being required. So if you use VLT, so if you use that, the symlink issue will be solved for now. So the developer will ship a fix in the stable build. So you'll see that there is a lot of VLT delete command, things like that. So if you see that, you can safely delete it. So these are all the intermediate things that it runs. So when it fails to remove. So it will be within node modules. I did a basic migration and then created a different branch. So that branch is called migrate to VLT, and then assigned it to the Copilot cloud agent. So it came up with few things which I never noticed, and I never knew it. So I never knew you could add overrides to bypass few versioning scheme which were getting blocked with the old dependencies. So you can override it specifically to a specific term, and pin it to a specific version if needed. So if you are setting up the project for the first time, you'll notice that NPM takes a long time to download, installs, and build all those things. So VLT simplifies this, and it's very fast. I'll just keep the branch intact so that anyone can take a look on how it is done, so that it is easy for migrating from NPM if you're on Linux. So on Windows there is few things that needs to be fixed, and I hope it gets fixed. So thanks for watching. Bye.